Well, good afternoon. This is Jerry from US Camera, and a customer sent me this Nikon FE for service because they had jammed the camera and didn't know what happened. And so I thought I'd show you what a simple problem this really is. So let's get right to it. So I'm going to open the back cover. The customer sent me just the camera just like this. They were loading film, cocking and firing it to get it up to where it was around the spool, and then it just locked up. Well, the number one problem that FE, FMs, FE2s have is the customer is holding the film here as they're advancing it forward. And what they do is they push a little too hard right here, right at the shutter, and they push the film into the shutter, and what happens is the shutter just locks up because the second curtain was touched by the film, and the second curtain releases the mirror so that you can continue to wind. So let me show you how to fix that. So let's pull this film out of the camera, and we can see that it's completely locked up. So what I do, and this is a no charge repair that I've done hundreds of times, and so what I do is I take my dental pick and I'm going to come over here to one of the rivets on the shutter blade so that I can push the shutter down like this. And so the simplest thing in the world, we just released it, and hard enough I pulled the shutter blades all the way down to the bottom, and then I let it go. Now the camera will cock and fire. Of course, they took the batteries out. And that's how you unjam an FE. And I also have, same customer, I have his FM. And the camera is also locked up. So we're going to do exactly the same thing. He took the film out of this camera, and we're going to do exactly the same thing on a Nikon FM body. I'm going to take my dental pick. I'm going to come down here on the top rivet here. I'm going to open up the shutter just enough. Okay, see the shutter is all the way open. Take the lens cap off and you can see what I'm doing. Okay, we can look right through the opening. So if we just let go of it, it'll reset. The mirror dropped, and so now it'll cock and fire. And that's another 2 minutes on how to fix your camera without taking it into a repair shop. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot us an email at uscamera.com.